Hello members, this is Aman again. We hope that you are doing well. So today's fall was a huge one, around 300, 400 points like Nifty fell down. So that was expected of any other same kind of fall we could have expected from any other stock. So Titan also fell very sharply, but it recovered also in the end. So this is only an update for the video that we had shared on 18th of December 2021 about the levels of Titan, like if it broke a particular level, how it will go down or how it will move in the coming days. So it happened today itself. So what happened is like Titan broke a very critical level of 2248 that has been mentioned in that particular video. You can check that video. We will post the link of that video in the description box of this video. So you will be able to check both the videos in a sequence. It is very important for you to understand if you want to enter the stock market or do analysis of stocks, how these levels work. So as soon as Titan broke 2248, it did went up to 2205. It made a low of 2205, and you can check that we had clearly mentioned that there is a possibility that if this level is broken, Titan is most likely to go down to 2200 or maybe 2205, 2207. These levels have been clearly mentioned in that video. You can check that. Even though Titan recovered very quickly and closed at a decent level, but certainly it is not strong till the time it again starts closing above 2250. So we cannot say that that Titan is strong as of now, because it has closed below the major support of 2250. Its closing is around 2238. So we can say that yes, Titan might have recovered in the end, but can we say that Titan is strong? No, it is not strong. The objective of preparing this video is only to make you understand how technicals worked today in case of Titan only, even though technicals failed in a lot of stocks as well, but how Titan went below to 2205 from 2248 as soon as it broke this level, because this was its major support area. So now what you can now you would like to see when Titan would gain strength. Yes, you would be able to see some strength only when Titan starts closing above 2250. Now this level will act as its resistance. Once a support is broken, it becomes the resistance for the stock. So once Titan closes above this level, you can say yes, Titan might gain some strength in the coming days, but as of now it is very weak. And it is also possible that Titan might close above this line tomorrow, and on Wednesday it might fall back again if the fall has to continue, because negativity is still there because of the new variant of the corona. So reason can be anything. There might be some other reason as well, but as of now that variant is creating a lot of trouble throughout the world. So it is considered as one of the major reasons for the fall in the market today, Nifty 50 and obviously the stocks. So we hope that you would watch both the videos in continuation so that you would be able to analyze things. So this is Aman signing off. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.